Ring Battery Doorbell Pro. Let's open this up and take a look at what's inside. This model features a sleek redesign in deep silver. The quick-release Ultra Battery Pack is Ring's fastest charging battery yet, designed to maximize uptime to help you stay locked in on every detail, day or night. For those upgrading from a previous Ring doorbell, Battery Doorbell Pro is also backward compatible with quick-release battery packs from earlier models. A universal mounting plate and full hardware kit. A corner kit, included to give you more flexibility in how to position your doorbell for the best possible field of view. A deep silver faceplate, a setup guide, and a security sticker. If you want Ring's best battery-powered doorbell, this is it. Installing Battery Doorbell Pro is straightforward. Download the Ring app if you haven't already. The app is going to walk you through scanning the QR code on the back of your device or on the setup guide. Mount the universal mounting plate, drill your holes, then screw the plate into the wall. Then, line up the doorbell with the universal mounting plate and press it until you hear it lock. Then, tighten the security screw at the bottom. Insert the battery, and you'll have a live Retinal 4K view of your front door right on your screen, with 3D motion detection already active. When it's time to recharge, simply remove the quick-release Ultra Battery Pack, charge it via USB-C, and snap it back in. No need to remove any hardware from the wall.